Today we discuss about Pascal triangle. Pascal triangle an amazing number of pattern that creates a pyramid or triangle shape out of the binomial coefficient. Then we discuss about the use of Pascal triangle in different ways. Rows through 5 of Pascal triangle, the pattern continues on into infinity. Two of the sides are filled with ones and all other numbers are generated by adding the two numbers. Above the Pascal triangle is never ending equilateral triangle of the numbers that follow a rule of adding the two numbers give above to get the number below. Two of the sides are all ones, and because the triangle is infinite, there is no bottom side. It is named for Blaise Pascal, a 17th century French mathematician who used the triangle in his studies in probability theory. However, it has been studied throughout the world for the thousands of years, particularly in ancient India, medieval China during the golden age of Islam, and resonance which began in Italy before spreading across Europe. Simple as this pattern, has been surprising connections throughout many areas of the mathematics, including algebra, number theory, probability, combinators, the mathematician of countable configuration in faculties. In a 2013 Expert Voices column for the Life Science, Michael Rose, a mathematician studying at the University of Newcastle, described many of the patterns hidden in the Pascal triangle. Pascal triangle arises naturally through the study of combinator. For example, imagine selecting 3 colors from 5 color pack of markers. The order of the colors are selected doesn't matter for choosing which to use on a poster, but it does for choosing the one color for each Alice, Bob and Carol. A case like this where order does not matter is called as a permutation. In the given slide, the operator is called as a factorial, which means multiply all the lesser number to the whole numbers down through 1. For example, 1 factorial equal to 1, 2 factorial equal to 2 multiply 1 2, 3 factorial equal to 3 multiply 2 multiply 1 equal to 6. For a case with 5 options where 3 will be chosen and order, the number of possible permutation is expressed as 5p3 and calculated as 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial. Means 5 factorial we write as 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1, and 5 minus 3 factorial means 2 factorial equal to 2 multiply 1, that is 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1 divided by 2 multiply 1, we get 60. The given slide shows the formula for the permutation. NPR equal to n factorial upon n minus r factorial. NPR means permutation. N is equal to total number of objects and r equal to number of objects taken at a time. The new term is combination. 3 colors for a single poster. A case like this where order doesn't matter is called as a combination. The number of possible combinations will always be a fraction of number of possible permutation. For a case with 5 options where 3 will be chosen, this is expressed as 5c3. 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial multiply 2 factorial. 5 factorial is written as 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1 divided by 3 factorial. 3 multiply 2 multiply 1 multiply 2 factorial means 2 multiply 1. We cancel the same term, we get 5 multiply 2 means 10. The number of Pascal triangle match the number of possible combination NCR when forced with having to choose R minus n number of objects among n number of available options. From the process of generating Pascal triangle, we can say that the number can be generated by adding the two numbers above the mathematically. This is expressed as NCR equal to n minus 1 CR minus 1 plus n minus 1 CR. By using the previous slide, we can say that a combination is a grouping or subset of items. For a combination, the order does not matter. We can write the formula of combination is C of NR. N means number of items in a set. R means number of items selected from the set. We can write as NCR equal to N factorial upon N minus R factorial into R factorial. The given slide shows that combination values in Pascal triangle by using rows. In the given slide, we can differentiate permutation and combinators. In permutation, order matters, repetition allowed, means possibility is equal to n raised to r. Order matters, repetition not allowed, means possibility is equal to n factorial upon n minus r factorial. In the combination, order doesn't matter, repetition allowed, means possibility is equal to n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. Order does not matter, repetition not allowed, means possibilities are n plus r minus 1 factorial upon r factorial into n minus 1 factorial. Binomial is a word used in algebra that roughly means two things added together. Binomial theorem refers to the pattern of coefficient numbers that appear in front of variables that appear when a binomial is multiplied by itself a certain number of times. Mathematically, this is written as x plus y into n. Pascal triangle can be used to determine the expanded pattern of coefficient. The first few expanded polynomials are seen in this slide. Using the Pascal triangle, we can write expansion of binomials in easy way. Using the summation notation, the binomial theorem may be written in that way. For a probabilistic process with two outcomes like a coin flip, the sequence of outcome is governed by what mathematicians and statisticians to be the binomial distribution. This also relates to the Pascal triangle. For example, for 3 coin flips, there are 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 equal to 8 possible heads and tail sequence when stored into the groups of how many heads in bracket 2, 3, 1 and 0. Each group is populated with 1, 3, 3, 1 sequence respectively. Notice how this matches the third row of Pascal triangle. It's been proven that this trend holds for all numbers of coin flips and all the triangle's rows according to the George E. P. box in statistics for the experiments for large number of coins flip in the binomial distribution is reasonable. Approximation is of the normal distribution of fundamental bell curve distribution used as a foundation in statistical analysis. This approximation is approximation sign significantly simplifies the statistical analysis of great deal of the phenomena. Next point is Fibonacci sequence. Pascal triangle also has significant ties to number of theory. The most apparent connection is to the Fibonacci sequence. Adding the number of Pascal triangle along a certain diagonal produces the number of the sequence. This sequence as shown in the given slide. Point fractals. Coloring the number of Pascal triangle by their divisibility produces an intersecting variety of fractals. In particular, coloring all the number divisible by 2 all even numbers produces Stravinsky triangle. This pattern have appeared in Italian art since the 13th century according to the Wolfram math world.